excited to own these. Y'all have no idea. Like, y'all have no idea. Hey Let's Fam, it's your girl Bella. Welcome back to my channel. A few videos back I told y'all I was not going to haul another purse for a while. Or no, I told y'all I wasn't going to review another purse for a while because I didn't really have any more purses to review. I was wrong. I just bought two. I just bought a purse off my wish list. If y'all watch my wish list video, thank you. If you haven't, it's in the cards. You can watch it after this. But I recently purchased a bag that's very exciting, and I would go ahead and like not tell y'all what the bag was, which you see it in the title, so I'll just tell y'all now. I got the Songmont Luna bag. I got two of them actually. So I specifically want this bag in the small size, and I feel like I've talked about this bag a million times because it is one bag that can be worn 4 ways. So it's very much giving 4-in-1, transition from daytime to nighttime with this one. At first, the bag only came in like an ivory color, a like baby pink, and a lavender. And I wanted it in the white ivory color. I also wanted it in black, but it was not available in black in the small size at first. But I've been checking their website like clockwork, and they recently came out with the black in the small size. So I went ahead and bought the white and the black because these purses are not very expensive and they're becoming more and more popular. So I just know a price increase is on the way, and I wanted to get it before the price increase. So these bags are full leather bags. Leather on the outside, leather on the inside. Here's the bag. It is shipped from China. So it says Songmont. This is probably Songmont in Mandarin. I don't know. Cantonese. Here's the paper. So the bag comes in this little dust bag. We do get like 2 of these separate straps because, as I know, this bag can be worn 4 ways. So we get this paper that says Songmont Carrier Cure. On the back it has maintenance instructions. I don't think I own any bags that are leather on the inside and the outside, which is even more reason why this bag is so amazing because this bag is pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. So it's a 3-month warranty, and the 3 months from receiving your order. If there are any quality issues not caused by human factors, such as glue separation, stitching problems, or hardware defects, we offer free replacement with free shipping. That's rare. That's rare. I did not even know about that. For issues occurring outside the warranty effective period or caused by human factors, we offer repairs with basic service and shipping fees. That is not bad. That's not bad. Some luxury items do have warranties, but they're not always written out like this, and it's very dependent on what the item is and how much it costs. And then it's also showing like what is not applicable to the warranty. So damages caused by improper usage, maintenance, or storage resulting from consumer disassembly or self-repair, absence of warranty card or valid sales receipt, merchandise labeled as irregular, second or B grade on the hang tag, and products purchased from suppliers that are not authorized by us, or counterfeit products. Okay, cool. So here's a bag. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Today is Saturday. I got these on Tuesday. I already opened one of them, but I decided I would not open this one. This is the one I'm most excited about because it's the white one, and this is the one I originally wanted. You just help make a greener planet. This special paper is made from recycled ocean litter. Cool. I'm so excited. Here she is. Of course, the strap's not on her yet, but here she is. She's made of this super, super, super soft leather, y'all. We got the gold hardware. We got the little gold lock. I love locks on bags. Like, it's so cute to me. We have the little Songmont right there embossed in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The inside, I don't know what this is. This right here is like so soft. This bag is full leather, but that does not feel like leather. It feels like suede or something. I will give y'all the full specs of the bag once I'm finished showing it to y'all because, you know, I've shown this bag off like 3 times, so I don't know. This is my first time actually showing it, but I've talked about it so many times that I feel like y'all don't need the specs, but if you are new here, I'll give you the specs. Look at the green interior! We have like one main pocket, and then we have a little like card slot too. Let's see what can fit in here. So if y'all didn't know, I got 2 phones, and they can both fit. There's enough space in here for maybe like a slim wallet or a card holder and like your keys. I would not put a big wallet in here. I mean, you could, but it's gonna be pretty tight. This is a small bag for sure. And the lock is just this little like, okay, let me show you the black one because the black one is more assembled than this one. It is so loud outside. It's actually so annoying. So here's the black one. I already put the strap on the black one, and I took the plastic off the sides because I was so excited. I always hate that whenever I do these videos, my bottom half, I'll have like sweatpants or pajama pants on, and then I'm like, Isabella, you need to shop the bag. Okay. This is how it looks when it's a shoulder bag. I personally would not carry it at this length as a shoulder bag. I would keep the strap, but like just carry it like this or on the crook of my arm. Probably just like this, because I love a little top handle. But as a shoulder bag, it's a little bit tight with the strap. But I don't really know how all these straps work, y'all. So let's see. We have this one. And the way, and you kind of just like slip them into this little thing like that. This seems like a very sturdy like handle, like a very sturdy way to carry the bag. Y'all be surprised, not all bags are made equal in that way. Some of them are actually hard to take apart and do stuff with. Here's the other strap. I just realized the other way to wear this bag, y'all. Okay, so I think you can go like this. And you go like this, and you carry it like this. Ah! So if you're gonna carry it like this, you definitely cannot be putting too much stuff in it, because this just decreased the size of the bag. But oh my gosh, you just carry it in your hand like this. Can you do like that? You could, barely, but. Are you joking? This is so cute. And then you can take this strap here. This is probably my favorite way to carry it, because I'm obsessed with this way. Are you freaking kidding me? Now you have like this little double handle. Like I just love a top handle, and I love this bag can be top handled in like 3 ways. Like that's just so amazing to me. Like I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. Okay. Here's a long strap. Let's see. Oh, I don't feel like doing this one. So the long strap is worn more normally. Like you have these little kind of like hook things on the side. So what you do is you just unhook that. I think this is how you do it. Didn't come with instructions. You slip it into the hook and then you close it. I think I just messed up because I just took this part off. You know, the part that kind of you would use to like flatten this out with. Like you keep this here and like flatten it out. I just took that part off, so I kind of just messed up. But I'm not going to carry it this way, so I'll put it back on in a second. So this little part, like I said, I accidentally took it off the other one, but you would just use this to flatten that out. That way it's not like doing all that, like it keeps it in place. But you can carry it like this, and then it becomes either a crossbody or it becomes a like long shoulder bag. I would never say a crossbody because that's doing a lot as a long shoulder bag, but she's freaking stunning, like in black and in white. Wow. So let me give y'all the actual specs of this bag now that I've shown y'all it. I'm just read these specs to y'all really quick. So this is the Songmont Luna bag. This bag has 4 different ways you can carry the handle, which I just showed y'all. This bag is roughly 9 inches long and is made out of milled calf leather. Y'all, this leather is so soft. I wish y'all could touch it. Like it's so soft. The bag is microfiber leather lined. And on the website it says that the hardware is matte, but it's definitely not matte. It's definitely shiny, which I was so confused when I saw matte on the website. I was like, matte? How? But yo, this black and gold, this gold on black, look at the little Songmont they like stamped onto the side. I hope y'all can see it. Like I said, Songmont on the hardware. Like so much attention to detail. I'm obsessed. And the best part about this bag is $2.99. I did get 10% off because when you sign up for like their website, your first purchase is 10% off. So I did get a bit of a discount on these 2 bags, but $2.99 for a full leather bag, leather interior, leather exterior, a full leather bag. If you know anything about luxury handbags, there's no way you're paying $2.99 for a full leather bag. That is what? And it can be worn 4 different ways. Like, I'm literally good on handbags for a minute now. Like, I'm so good. Like, I'm so good. I'm gonna take this strap off because I don't want to hold this strap. I'm not a crossbody girl. Despite what they tell y'all, I am not a crossbody girl. Y'all knew this. I do kind of worry about like bending this over and over again, like how it will affect the integrity of the leather, but at the same time, leather is a soft material and it's made to be bended and folded and all this sort of stuff, and I think as the bag ages it'll just become more soft. So I'm so excited to own these. Y'all have no idea. Like, y'all have no idea. Y'all have no idea. I'm about to get some new purse hangers so I can hang these up in my closet. I'm so excited. These are the 2 colors I wear. Like, I wear white, I wear black, and I guess I wear like neutral in general. These are gonna go with all my outfits. I can wear these daytime or nighttime. They're the perfect transitional bag. Like, look at this. Daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. Perfect. I'm literally obsessed. Let me know in the comments down below, what do y'all think about these bags? This is the Songmont Luna bag in the small size. To know me is to know that I've talked about this bag a million times. I've talked about it so many times on this channel, but I just love it so much. I'm so curious to know what y'all think about it, or if there are other bags that are like in the same price point that are made from real leather and are great quality. Share them down below because I always love me a good leather bag. Let me know. As always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.